2023 4RUNNER 40th Anniversary. Toyota celebrates 4RUNNER's milestone. The SR5 Premium trim has a unique grille, bronze heritage insignia, bronze wheels, and specific striping. Special seats, a sliding cargo table, and an 8-inch infotainment system are inside. Under the hood is a 4.0-liter V6 with 270 horsepower and a 5-speed automatic. Will the 2023 Toyota 4RUNNER 40th Anniversary be redesigned? In today's video, we are discussing the new Toyota 4RUNNER 2023 Special Edition, so keep watching. Hello everyone and welcome back to Dreamer Drive. Here you will find the latest and greatest updates about cars, especially electric cars, SUVs, vans, and future models. For daily videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for future updates. The tradition of the 4RUNNER has been recognized throughout the country over the past 40 years. The journey consisted of traversing muddy terrain, rocky trails, and water crossings, as well as nearly everything else that the area had to offer. In addition, Toyota is ecstatic to announce the launch of the 2023 4RUNNER 40th Anniversary Special Edition as a means of paying tribute to this significant achievement. This sport utility vehicle is one of only 4,040 that will ever be produced, and it boasts one-of-a-kind touches both inside and out that pay tribute to how far they've come. Therefore, allow yourself to be motivated, get ready to explore the great outdoors, and share some of the most exciting tales that are still to come. What will be the 2023 Toyota 4RUNNER price? Toyota hasn't released 2023 4RUNNER pricing. 2023 4RUNNER will likely cost more than the 2022. The 2022 4RUNNER prices range from $38,105 for the SR5 up to $52,920 for the TRD Pro. 2023 4RUNNER engine, 0 to 60 miles per hour, fuel efficiency, towing specifications. The 2023 Toyota 4RUNNER SUVs use 4.0-liter V6 engines. It generates 270 horsepower and 278 pound-foot of torque with a 5-speed automatic transmission. The SUV gets 16 city and 19 highway miles per gallon. 2023 4RUNNER can haul 5,000 pounds and go 0 to 60 miles per hour in 7.7 seconds. 4RUNNER buyers can choose between front or four-wheel drive. TRD Pro, TRD Off-Road, and TRD Off-Road Premium are off-road focused 4RUNNER versions. Now let's talk about Toyota 4RUNNER rivals. Honda Pilot, Kia Telluride, Ford Explorer, Ford Bronco, Jeep Grand Cherokee, Jeep Wrangler, and Hyundai Palisade are Toyota 4RUNNER competitors. Along with the 40th Anniversary Special Edition, the 2023 Toyota 4RUNNER has a standard blind spot monitor and cross-traffic warning. The 2023 Toyota 4RUNNER will likely be released in late summer or early fall 2022. The 2023 4RUNNER will likely cost higher than the 2022 model, beginning at $38,105 MSRP. Displayed in black and graphite, Softex trim is in the inside of the 40th Anniversary Special Edition. Displayed with many possibilities is the prototype. Features. Over the course of several decades, 4RUNNERs have garnered the status of being an off-roading icon, and we have every intention of preserving that status. The iconic body-on-frame construction of the 4RUNNER 40th Anniversary Special Edition provides the dependable and durable support you require when your travels take you beyond the point where the road stops. Exterior. Put yourself in the middle of nature. The 4RUNNER 40th Anniversary Special Edition salute to its legacy is sure to turn attention out on the open road or off-road path, thanks to the bronze-colored wheels that measure 17 inches in diameter and the special graphics that adorn the vehicle's exterior. Interior. A ride that can only be described as unique. Being one of only 4,040 units to purchase the 4RUNNER 40th Anniversary Special Edition comes with special perks, including a one-of-a-kind emblem that is positioned on the dashboard to highlight the limited nature of the vehicle, a distinctive shift knob, and bronze-colored contrast stitching throughout. And that's it for today. We sincerely hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please make sure you click that like button and share our channel with your friends and family. If you have any comments, please share them with us in the comment space below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you can press that bell icon and get all the latest updates on our latest videos. We'll like to see you in our next one.